Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add conditional logic field in Elementor form using plugin. So this is our Elementor form. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write conditional field for Elementor form. So in search we write conditional field for Elementor form, apply conditional logic. So this is plugin. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So I already active this plugin, now you see. And then go to form and refresh the page. So we are going to add conditional field and we are going to hide or display field on user input. Now you see your full name, your email. So we are going to add some more, add item. Now you see checkbox or radio button, we add it, and then you see we added value yes or no. So you can add some text. So we added radio field, now you see, and then we are going to add more field, add item, text, value display. So this is our new text field, and then you see condition. So when person select yes, then we are going to display this. Now go to condition, so click on it and then you see enable condition, yes. Now you see show white field, so we are going to show condition trigger. Now you see field ID, so we are going to add field ID for this radio. Now go to radio and then you see advanced, so click on it. So this is ID, now copy this ID. Now go to another field again. Now you see field ID, now paste. So we added field ID for radio to this text, and then you see operator is equal to. So you can select value according to requirement, and then you see yes. So when person select yes, then we are going to display this text field. Now done. So you can add many conditions according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our form. Now we select yes. Now you see text field show. When we select no, now you see hide. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.